Assalamu alaikum. You're fine. Okay, today our topic is probability. Now let's start. It's for grade 7. Now, probability. What is probability? Probability are the chances, okay? Means how much percent chances that there will be a rain, there will be uh, sunny weather or like that, or for anything. Let's suppose you have a dice, you are just throwing a dice, and how much percent chances that it will be 6. So these all things should be a probability or chances, okay? How much percent chances that tomorrow will be uh, weekend, and like that many more things, okay? Now let's start our topic. Like here, these are the two images or pictures that will show you that how much percent chances that there will be a rain or not. How much percent chances that I will get my train or not. Okay, so these all depend on situations. Probability scale means here is the one example that is helpful for us. What is probability scales? Now, here question number one of example: United and Cities are two football teams. The probability that City will win their next match is 25% chance, and the probability that United will win their next match is 2 by 3. So as we know that 25% is equal to 1 by 4, okay, and 2 by 3 is equal to 66.66%. So which team is more likely? Means here I will tell you the most important things. Likely means 75% chance, certain mean 100%, even mean 50%, unlikely mean 25, and impossible means 0% chances. So which will likely mean 75% chance, or near is more than 50% chances, should be only United, because this will have more than 50% chances. So we say United is more likely to win their next match. And here he mentioned that 25 is 1 by 4, and which is less than 2 by 3. Show the probability on the probability scale. Here is the scale of the probability. You know that probability, the maximum number of probability should be 1, and the minimum number should be 0. So in between this line, they will just show you that 1 by 4 is City and 2 by 3 is United. So it is more than even number, even chances. So we will say that it is more likely, it is likely. It's near to likely. Look at here. Here is the likely. Now, question number one. Choose the best word and phrase. Means we just from this box we are choosing the best word or phrase that is good for our sentence. If you drop a fair coins, here is the two coins, it will land show the head. How much percent chance you throw a coin and you flip the coin and you will get head? No, you don't know. 50 chance. 50% here and 50% here. So what which word we are using? Even chance. The day after Monday will be Tuesday. It is a certain condition. So we never say anything is after Monday, it will be a Tuesday. So we will say it is certain. You have the same birthday as a president of United States. Means there are different presidents. Every 5 or some year, after some year, president will be changed. So everyone have a different day. If you are very close, so you say likely. If you are not very close, so you say unlikely. Will you do well in your next math exam? Those who are intelligent, they just say very likely, and normal people, they just say very, sorry, likely, or even chances. Okay. So these are the words. I just tell you how we are using these words. Now, here we will just match which will be suitable for here. A newborn baby will be girl. How many percent chance that the newborn baby will be girl or boy? So 50% chance, because we are not sure about it. So 50% means the middle. So here are two and here are two, means here is in the middle. So we will say D is the right answer. So next should be A plane will fly from New York to Hong Kong in 2 hours from next week. So is it possible that a plane will fly from New York to Hong Kong in 2 hours? Yes or no? No, it is not possible. So we will say impossible. Okay. So we are using the word A. Here is A. A dice will show a 2 when it is rolled. What is the probability that you will throw and dice will show a roll? That is very unlikely, not likely. Sorry, not unlikely, very unlikely. That is B. So there will be a earthquake in Asia for the next coming year. Nowadays, every year you will see the news that there will be a earthquake in Asia. So we will say that there are the certain chances. Okay. So question number 3, draw the probability scale, mark this probability in a correct phrase. Means here 25% chance for rain. So what we will do, we will draw this type of scale, okay, and you just tell us there is 25%, like here is 25, and in this graph each box must show 5%. From here to here 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So you will see answer of A should be 25. Answer of B should be 50%. That hurricane will be reaching the town is 50% chance. So in the middle, so you will put here in the middle. Last 1 by 5 means that is equal to 2 by 10 means 20% chances. So I will say 20. Where is 5, 10, 15, 20? So I will say C is 20. Now plant will be flower 70% chances. So D should be 70% chances. Maya will study math at university is 90% chances. So I will put here 90% chances. And the last one is Razi train will be late 5% chances that its train will be late. So 5% should be here. So same like this, it's called probability scale. I hope you understand. It's not so difficult. So thank you so much.